Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my BBQ shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fatty
Here is what they call a New York strip roast. Some refer to it as a Kansas City strip roast. You can call it what you want. This is a great cut of beef, and it's cut from the short loin, right? Is it
Right off the short loin, back of the cow.
like near
It's
the
a whole-
tenderloin? And
Yeah, whole back of the strip is strip steak here, and then it's the roast is not steak. We're gonna cook it very slow on the Weber here, and it's gonna come
and
out
the
amazing.
butcher will leave that fat cap on here, man.
That's the flavor.
Oh, there's
You
your
gotta
flavor.
have that.
It'll
It's
be
like butter.
And so this won't take too long to do. Maybe I don't know, a couple hours maybe or something like that.
125 on the inside temperature. We're good to go.
Yep. Now with a good cut of beef like this, you don't want to screw with it, right? You want to just put your favorite seasoning, which should be some salt, some pepper. We of course use our SPG. You got to check it out anytime you get, any chance you get. The SPG. Yep. And let's just simply coat it, all right? Just like that. Yep. And you can see this is.
Look at that marble.
Yeah, I know it.
Beautiful marble.
It's gonna melt in your mouth, man. You know. Now you don't want to use the SPG like a rub, right? Because it is a seasoning, or you'll have too much salt on it. And you want to get the whole thing. Take a look at that. Lord have mercy. We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. Anybody seen Martha lately? Yeah. I don't know. Look at this. What a gorgeous piece of meat. And if you do it yourself, it sure as hell is going to be a lot cheaper than going to your local good
100%.
steakhouse. I mean, that's what it's
100%.
about.
Definitely.
And so, it's all set, prep, real easy to do. All we're going to do is place it on your favorite grill, and this time we're using our Weber kettle. Not necessarily our favorite grill, but it does work. And what we'll do, let's get that cast iron pan we have here, right? We want to catch some of the fat juices and au jus. You can just set it right on there. We're going to place it indirect opposite the charcoal because we want this to act like an oven, right? Just like that. So I told you, it's going to be easy to do. Put the cover on. Yeah, go ahead.
Warden's got the cover.
Yep. We'll do about maybe 325, somewhere in that range. Not too hot, not too cool, kind of medium, right? So nothing left to do now but sit back.
Crack open one.
Maybe have a couple cool ones.
All right.
Sounds
Way to
good.
be. Cheers.
Way to be. Excellent.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
We gotta
Come on,
check.
Jesse, let's see what the puppy looks like.
Ooh, take a look at that.
If you have an internal temperature, 104.
104.
So you get in there, spinning around.
You gotta spin it around
Even
again.
cooking
'Cause
here.
we got a hot side going there, as you can see.
Yeah,
So take a look
That's
at that.
looking good.
Oh,
All right.
Let's see what it's
that's
like.
rendering in there, huh?
All right.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Action.
All right, I think we've come to the end. All right. We don't know yet. Take a look at that. Whew. Beautiful. You just want to look at it for a while, right? Now, we've got an internal temperature in here. We're doing about 140 degrees, more or less, right? I mean, it's up to you. You can get much more rare. And we're just going to pull it off the cast iron pan, and we're going to let it sit just a little bit. And of course you want to do that because all the heat is on the outside. You let it sit a little bit and all the juices will re-permeate the entire roast. But you already knew about that, right? So we got some drippings. Let's see what we're going to do with that. How about this? And a little bit of little wine, right? So pick it up. And of course, how about a little bit of butter? And it's good. And just put it all together here. Of course, we've got a ton of flavor already in this beef juice with the SPG, right? Salt, pepper, garlic. Look at that. So that was easy enough to do. So this is optional. So I think we've got enough time to go get another coal one and let that rest. All right.
Perfect.
Yeah. Perfect.
Owe me money. Don't worry about it.
Break up some bread or just bring that in last? Probably shouldn't be in the way while we're playing with this at first. Then we'll just pull it up on the table. Take a
Oh, we
piece.
can have some.
Let's do it. I like the red pepper in there. I've never had that.
We're grabbing a piece of meat.
Are we ready? All right. Recording? All right, cool. Yeah.
Come on. Jesus. I'll get in there.
Oh yeah, that's the. This is the part where the pit masters are going to eat in front of you. And you can't apologize, of course.
Oh, Bowser.
So, remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com. Thumbs up, man. Dip it. Dip it real good.
Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue